Finally, after a long and exhausted flight, we've arrived here at Heathrow International, London's airport, safe and sound. Oh, I'm excited to explore London. That's my lovely sister over there.
Here. Go from here.
No bashing, just for fun. Pagod na pagod pero masaya.
Welcome to the London.
Kabali. The London. Using London's Oyster card for the first time.
Summer dito. Kasi pinatawag nilang summer.
Okay, stop up there.
Na lang.
Okay. Come on, two of you. Come on.
This what they call summer.
Yeah, that is the Trafalgar Winter. So this is the Londoner.
Yeah, the London
Yeah. Okay, that is the Trafalgar. Yung tubig, the fountain is off. The fountain is off. Yeah. Nilamig na yan, oh.